Let's talk about the inner world of a business, the part you can actually build and control. So, what parts of a business are completely under its command? Let's take a look. It's called the microenvironment. Basically, it's everything inside the business where you make the rules. Think of it like this. You're the architect and the builder of your own company headquarters. And just like any great building, you've got to start with a solid blueprint, right? First up is your vision. That's the big dream, the skyscraper you're aiming to build. Then your mission statement. This explains why you're building it and what it's for. Next are the goals. Think of these as the major phases of construction for your project. And objectives? Those are your daily tasks, laying each and every brick just right. So here's the key difference. The vision is the what, and the mission is the how. Okay, blueprint's done. Now you need the building materials. In business, these are your resources. We're talking about people, money, equipment, basically your bricks, steel, and all the wiring. And of course, you need a structure, the scaffolding that gives the whole thing its shape. This is your org chart. It shows who's in charge of what and how the teams connect. And then there's the vibe, the culture. It's pretty much how we do things around here. So you've got the plan, the stuff, the structure, but who's going to do the work? Well, in a business, there are 8 key teams or functions that make it all happen. And get this, they all have to work together. Great marketing means nothing without a product. So all these things from the vision to the teams are the levers you can actually pull. Mastering this microenvironment, that's how you take real control of your success. Which leaves just one question, right? With all this control, what would you build?